Oh, hey everybody, hi. Yep. Hey everyone, I'm Broken Firefighter. Anyways, you see those clouds up there? You see them? Yep, they're pretty bad looking out there. So, yeah, for those people that are walking out there, don't. Especially when there's clouds like this. Well, yeah, like don't walk out when there's a big, like storm front coming this way. Yeah, it's not a safe thing to do. Oh, do I need to be here now? Oh, okay. Wait, we didn't say anything though. I know what I'm doing. Hello everybody, my name is Benson. Anyway, so look at those storm clouds. I just showed people that. Well, I'm showing them again. You know what surprises me? There's no lightning or thunder or any of that stuff, not even rain. Yep, those are pretty dangerous looking clouds up there. Oh God, I hate my life. God, I hate my. Oh, hi everybody, hi. 20 I think I hope. Hey there, junkies, it's Raw Power Junkies here. So, anyways, look at this storm. Look at those clouds up there. Do you have to start with Hater Junkies, it's Raw Power Junkies here? Yes, I do. Okay. Yeah. You might want to take the camera. Oh, what? Hello, people. My name is Mordecai. So I'm holding the camera right now. Man, look at those clouds. You know what surprises me? There's just no storm yet. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of dark clouds up there, except there's no thunder or lightning. There's some parts of it where it's still brightest out. See over there? Although a lot of times in storms, it doesn't have to rain at all. Yep. Are you serious? You have to film. You know what? Forget. Seriously, do you have to say Hater Junkies for Raw Power Junkies here every week? Yes, I do. Okay, Mordecai, you have a problem with that? Oh boy, look at that! Look at those storm clouds. I bet there's not gonna be a storm. Mordecai, you don't know that. Just don't. I just hope Mr. Stubber doesn't come out here. Yeah, me too. What? What? Nothing. So maybe so. Oh, Alright, try to get your best, alright? Jeez, don't need to be demanding. Don't zoom it up too far. Wow, else am I gonna catch the lightning? You don't need to zoom it up like that far. Oh, what? Those clouds are passing. Oh, I think I just saw lightning. I'm not joking. You know. Yeah. That's not me talking, that's Brooklyn the guy. Yeah, you know when when the clouds move like that, you know that there's gonna be as possible for thunder than lightning and thunder. Whoa. This is weird. You said I'm weird. No, I'm not saying you're weird. Right. Get out of here. You're funny. Just like that time. Oh, look, a jogger. Yeah, just jog right on the middle of the storm. Yeah, it's safe. That's a safe thing to do. I think I heard thunder. I think you're going crazy. I'm not going crazy, I'm serious. Well, hey guys, what's up? What you doing? Seriously. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. That you know, like, not be too far. Do it! No, come on, stop it. Come on. Hey people. Yep. The clouds moving like that, you know there's gonna be some potential lightning or thunder off of that. It's really, those clouds are really making me, like, you know what? Making me crap in my pants right now. I just got dry cleaning. You know how many times I had to do that? Do you know how many times? Jeez, just get out of here. No, do you know how many times I had to get dry cleaning? No. There is another visitor. I think I just saw lightning. Isn't that cute? Oh, anyways, when you guys support the camera, I'm gonna put the camera right here. Wait, for what reason? Hey. Alright, now hopefully that thing doesn't fall down. If it does, you're paying for it. Wait, what? You heard me. More time, Mr. Grumpy, come over in the backside. Pronto! Alright, here, let me see the camera. Now we're doing it. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Come on, man. Be serious, alright? This is serious stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh god, I think I saw lightning. Yep, it's pretty bad. Do you see that, Mr. Grumpy? Yeah, I'm with you, you idiot. Jeez, you only need to be... Do you see that? Just it. Look back there, see? It's looking pretty bad over right. Look way back there. So, I'll take the camera. It just looks like you need some free hands. Whatever. Oh, there's also another visitor coming. Hi. What are we doing? Seriously? Oh god, not you, Mr. Star. Yeah, man. Really? Yes, really. And why does this concern me? It doesn't. Mr. Darby, you might want to look outside. No, I know what this is. This is just a scam. What is this? It's a storm. This is not a storm. If it was a storm, tell me something like that. Tell me something. Stop it, you idiot. No, you stop it. You're the idiot. I hate you. Oh God, not Mr. Stubborn. Why him? Mm-hmm. You're just idiots. God. Isn't that cute? Where's the storm? I don't see any. I don't see any thunder or hear any lightning. You mean see the lightning, then hear the thunder? No, I mean see the thunder, then hear the lightning. Are you an idiot? Are you an idiot? You wanna fight? Oh, this is kicking on. No, it's not! Are you kidding me right now? No, he is not. You're just an idiot. So do you really want to go here with me, Stubborn? Alright, we're trying to watch a storm. There is no storm. If there was a storm, there would be lightning, there would be thunder, there'd be all that stuff. Then we'll explain some dark clouds over there. One over there. That could be anything. Oh! Did you see that? That was a lightning. Actually, I don't think that was lightning. What? Uh-oh. It was stop already. There was no storm. Yes, there is. Stubborn, alright? Was that necessary? Yes, it was. So there was no storm out here. You were just an idiot. There was no storm out here. Why do I even bother doing this stuff? You don't. God, I saw lightning. I saw it. I'm not kidding this time. I didn't get it. Yeah, I didn't get it this time. Yeah, I saw it. I think that's a mosquito or mayfly or something. Whoa! Was that lightning? No, it was not. It was just your imagination. Jeez! That was just your imagination. It wasn't my imagination. Just get out of here. What was that? How long is that thing flying out there? What thing? I saw that. Broken guy, get up! I'm gonna sit over here. Prove to you that there's no storm. Actually, Mr. Stubborn, I'm seeing a lot of lightning. Broken guy, get up! Hurry up! There's some person out there. Oh god! Oh look! Oh, that's fantastic! Yeah, there's a person out there walking a dog. Oh great! Oh, that's fantastic! Yeah, why don't we just walk our dog out there in the middle of a thunderstorm? It's ridiculous! Do you know how many people get struck by lightning? Yep, it's pretty evil looking. Just here, give me a second. Uh-oh. Let's do it. What are we doing? Nothing. Since there's no storm. That's the risk, stopper. Uh-oh. Those clouds are looking dark over here. I don't know if the camera point over there can turn out quick now. Share. Oh, dear, I saw that. Alright, hey everybody. So, a little bit of sunshine. Just got a touch in with her sister Amanda Sunshine. Since a little bit of sunshine is like freaked out about storms, that's why she has her older sister with her who always keeps her, well, more comfortable when watching thunderstorms. If her sister wasn't there, she would be dead. She tries to, though, brave it without having her sister, to be with her, since they are both adults. Leslie, I heard. Yeah. Oh, I saw that. What did you see? I saw lightning, you idiot. Yep, I saw some lightning too. Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See how fast those clouds are moving? Let's see. What? Put me in the light. Are you kidding me? You've been filming now for 18 minutes! 18 minutes! What was that? Okay, that's it. I think you need to calm down. I think you need to get out of here. Ah! 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 That's it. Calm down. What's that? What is that? Nothing. Here, let me just see that. Wait, what are you guys doing? Give me it. Give it to me. Oh, give it to me. Wait, what? Give it to me now. No? Give it to me now. The guy, no, what are you doing? Let go of it. Let go of it. Let go of it now, Mordecai. Let go of it. Both of you, let go of it. Don't let go of it, both of you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what are you? I'm in the sunshine, really? No! Wait, that's a check it out? I didn't check it out. Oh, can I show you it first? Oh, hey, how do I actually have it? See it? It's so cool, isn't it? Isn't it cool? Here, we'll fly over after we look at those storm clouds. Now look at those clouds. Now you might think that's sunlight. No, you're wrong. You're definitely wrong. Yeah, you people are wrong. See how cool it is? See how, give me it! Give it! Give it! Oh. Stop flashing it! Let go of it! It's mine! It's mine! Let go of it! No, fuck! Knock it off! Give it! Give it! Mine! No, mine! 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 Knock it off! Knock it! Knock it off! Knock it! Hey, how do you know? I actually got it. Give it! You know what? I'm just gonna sit over here. Oh, what just happened? This one tiny storm turning us into complete animals. Whoa! That was not lightning. You know what? I'm trying to deal with your people all the time. Goodbye. For at least a while. I'm gonna come back in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, that was kind of stupid. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I am getting really scared right now. Yep. Okay, I am really scared right now for some reason. Oh! Alright! Alright, now that I cracked myself multiple times actually. Two. This is a war storm. Oh. Uh. This? Well. There's a lot of lightning stuff out there. I don't even know if I will stay out here for this long. Oh, I think I saw that light go on. Yep. Oh, that was big. I think I just had a heart attack. Almost. This is the worst storm. Okay, I think I'm gonna nearly have a heart attack right now for some reason. I'm gonna get out of here. Wait, what? You're just gonna flee? Do you not see how big this thunder is? What are you still doing out here? I don't know. You should really stay out here now. I should stay out here with you fools. Do you know how much lightning there is? Okay. You know what? I'm getting out of here. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna get out of here. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Oh, my dead body. Oh, yeah, I'll hit you. You know what? Just go, alright? Oh, fine. Oh, fine. You can get out of here. Yep. Well, welcome, Firefly. I gotta get out of here now. Yep. Sorry. Oh, thank God the cover didn't close, or else if we would have, or else that guy over there, Benson, whatever his name is. You really don't know, man? Alright, I'm only joking. Yeah, support the camera. Yeah, just try to support it. Alright, I'll support it. Too much support. Too much support. Too much. Alright, goodbye, people. Oh, I think we're having a big thunder thing. Yeah, thing. Oh. You know what I think? What? I think I'm a disgrace. Oh, yes? What is that? Well, I thought you weren't that much of a fight person. Oh, yeah. Oh. You know what? Forget you. Let's probably take care of things. Good evening, Mr. Fussy. Oh, hello there, Mr. Stefan. Are you watching the storm? What storm? We're not having a storm. Oh yes, the boys are big heavy rain. That's just your imagination. How is it our imagination? I don't know. Joe Loba, sunshine overreacted. This is not a storm. Here. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Oh, what now? I gotta do the same thing, man. You gotta do the same thing. Sorry about that, people. See? Roma Sunshine is like talking with her sister because I think she's scared. She's like really scared. Oh dear. Look at this storm. What storm? What storm? What do you mean, what storm? The storm that we're having. Hey you two. What do you want? Do you not know that this is not the storm? Back up a little bit. Do you not know? We know what you say. Except what you said isn't true. You two are just liars. How are we lying? Do you think this is a storm out here? I see worse. You probably haven't seen anything. It was just a beautiful day. It was just a beautiful day out here. Okay, we are having a storm. No, we are not. Yes, we are. Sorry for taking you. Yes, we are. Now, what was that all about? What was that? Huh? Look, I think you need to calm down. No, that was unacceptable. You think you can just strike like that? Vincent, it's thunder. It can't control itself. You're right. I think I'm gonna faint. Yeah, that was solid. That was a thunder! Oh, sorry. That was a thunder! Yes, it is, Mrs. Stomach. No, that was so big. Did you hear that? That was my stomach growling. Your stomach would growl that loud. I just nearly had a heart attack there. No, come on, Mr. Fussy, be brave. No, come on, Mr. Fussy, be brave, be brave. Yes, be brave, considering the fact that we're not having a storm. Yes, we are. We do not need an umbrella anyway. There is no sun. There usually isn't sun in a storm. This is not a storm. Yes, it is, Mr. Stomach. What is it? Use your imagination. Uh-oh. Why is the sky changing in an unfamiliar looking color? No, be brave. Come on, Mr. Fussy, be brave, be brave. You want to make everyone proud. See this thing? Goodbye. I'm gonna have to stop the video right now. Goodbye.